Hey everybody, welcome. It's Mark Coe for the 11th of May. Wanted to take a look. We've been chatting the last couple days on the videos about looking for changes in trends and what that may look like in real time. So the market I've been covering is gold and talked about buying bottom edges in gold. And just let's take a look at how that's developing. I've said I'll keep revisiting this. So we started talking about this in the video 2 days ago. We did see some bottoming action on Tuesday. Saw some rally yesterday, but never took out any levels of sell side action. So where I've been defining that is 1228 and 1236 in the gold. Okay, so today we've traded up to just shy of 1228, 1227.70 is the high so far in the day. But let's think about the action we've been describing. So the action we've been describing is the inability to continue those new lows and actually a higher level of support, right? A spot in the market where buyers will actually step in higher than the previous go round. And so that then gives us the level to lean against. So what we're looking at in gold is the ability to buy back down to 1217, 1220 with a very controlled stop down in the 1214, 1215 area. And looking for opportunities for a change in trend. Gold is exhibiting all those. From a bigger picture level, this 1200 to 1220 is a big spot of acceleration higher. Right, we saw a $90 rally off of the 1200 level the last time down here. Now we're back visiting that level. And so what we've been looking at with gold on more of a shorter term basis is what does a market look like when it's starting to make its turn? And so we started talking about this 3 days ago. Market broke bottom edge, rallied, and is now failing to sustain that bottom edge. So again, we're not calling this a change in trend yet. What we're describing it as is what a market looks like when it's actually turning from a sell side market back into a buy side market. At least in a consolidative market, right? There are three potential scenarios here. Either gold trades sideways, gold trades lower, or gold trades higher. When you're biased to the long side at that bottom edge, two of those three aren't going to hurt you. Right? So in looking at three potential scenarios, two out of the three aren't bad. It's about getting position in that level. Still understanding who controls this market here. Sellers still control it. Sellers are still coming in at this 1228 to 1230 level, and they're still getting resolution to the downside. But if you think about their last run lower, off of this level, sellers got 14 bucks. They're right back at this level now, and they're not getting that resolution just yet. This is where you look for that turn higher and understand that if buyers get it back through here, we're no longer in play back at that 1214 in the short term. So we've continued to watch this market develop, and we'll continue to visit. I think it's a great exercise in watching it in real time and understanding what a market starts to look like. What are the qualities that are present when you see those turns? This has been a nice trend lower, over $70 lower in gold. Again, you're not calling the bottom, but you're recognizing what's happening at potential turn points. So as we go into the weekend, as we go into Friday, tomorrow is Friday, the 12th of May, we will see how gold continues to react at these levels. And so our answers come from what is happening at the levels. So continue to look at gold. I'm continuing to look buy side, bottom edge gold, and looking for a favorable upside reaction. Failure to take out 1228 is going to embolden the sell side and understand that that's still the power side. A breakthrough 1228, and you really want to be more aggressive buy side action on gold. So for the 11th of May, gold update in the futures market here, it is Mark Coe, and I will talk to you all soon. Cheers.